Help me help you.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Collect Everything, and today we are unboxing the most popular toy now, fidget spinners. Yeah, fidget spinners.
Yeah. And
Yeah, I forgot. I'm with my sister Elena. Ding.
hello.
Yeah. So pink one is hers and blue one is mine. Okay. So pink one is, she will unbox the pink one and I'll unbox the blue one.
Yeah.
Guys, first I'm gonna unbox and she will unbox. Okay.
Okay.
And sorry for that video quality on the last video, like how we was fun. And I already have one fidget spinner. Oh, actually, I have two. And this one is Elena's. This one kind of lights up. Yeah.
But this is old one.
Yeah, old one. This is like military color.
And
It's
that
pretty cool. And you can see this unboxing. This unboxing on my Instagram called. It's called Zach ECE. Zach CE.
and
Collect Everything means.
yeah.
So you check me out on Instagram, and let's just unbox it. I will unbox the first mine. So let's keep it like that. Let's just unbox this awesome fidget blue spinner. What? Fidget blue spinner?
Yeah.
That's funny. Yeah.
That is color blue.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's awesome. Oh, it's cool. This one is nice.
Yeah.
Made out of plastic, but it's awesome. It feels really good in your hand. Let's just give it a spin. And it's really nice, like blue color, really nice. And the blue is really good. Yeah, it's probably the nice fidget spinner. Yeah, nicest. And this one is not that light and it's got a different texture. This is like really shiny type blue. Pretty nice. Elena, come here on the camera and unbox it. Yeah, we can see it now. Yeah, they can see. Unbox. Unbox. Get that thing out of here. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Show this on the camera. Yeah.
Look at this pink fidget.
Pink fidget. Yeah, it's really nice. Oh, they cannot see. Yeah, they do see it now. It's nice.
Yeah.
She knows how to fidget and she's just fine. Can I take yours?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can try it.
Ooh, this one is also pretty good. Yeah. Let's spin them. Nice. Blue and pink. I have an idea.
Do mine on mine.
Nice. Oh, that was fail. That's nice.
Let me try.
I will do fidget spinner tricks if I learn them. Yeah, and I will do a stunt box with stunt box. No,
Yeah.
maybe not. Yeah, I will not unbox that. I will just buy something else because I don't think that it's that cool. I like fidget spinners now.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
And we're gonna get 2 more fidget spinners. They're the metal ones.
Then we can collect that lot.
Yeah, we are gonna collect it and we are gonna make videos of it. So stay tuned for the next video.
And my favorite one is this
And
one.
I'm gonna do a surprise unboxing really soon.
And we can open Hot Wheels Tracker.
And bye.
Bye.
Ding. Hey.
What?
Make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. Smash it, like spin it the like fidget spinner. Yeah. That's awesome. Okay, so bye bye guys. Bye bye, say bye bye.
Bye bye.